Hello students, welcome to the maths class of standard 3rd. In earlier video we have seen chapter number 12, can we share. Part 2 we have part 1 and 2 we have seen. Now we will see this part 3. In this part 3 we will see the next questions just remaining in this chapter. Question number 10, do as per example. Here you can see I have written this. 7 4s are 28. Here we will write the multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. Just see how I am writing. 7 4s are 28. तो ये जो 28 है, इसका जो प्रोडक्ट है 7 और 4 का जो प्रोडक्ट है 28, उसको हम ये दोनों नंबरों से डिवाइड करेंगे. Alternate. See how I am writing. First I write 28 divided by 7. Okay, divide by 7. So answer will be 4. Directly you have to write like this. No need to divide. This is division facts. 28 divided by 7. So answer will be 4. And 28 divided by 4. So answer will be 7. Very easy, no? 28 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 4 आएगा. 28 को 4 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 7. Okay, and this we will see the next one. 3 7s are 21. So 21 divided by, first से डिवाइड करेंगे, डिवाइड by 3. So answer will be 7. And when you divide 21 divided by 7, so answer will be 3. Okay. Now 3 8s are 24. So first we write 24 divided by 3. So answer will be 8. इसके साथ डिवाइड किया तो ये आंसर आएगा. इसके साथ डिवाइड करोगे तो ये आंसर. ओके. 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. Next is 24 divided by 8. So answer will be 3. 8 3 74. Okay. Next is 8 9s are 72. क्या करेंगे हम? पहले 72 को 8 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर 9 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे. So here we will write 72 divided by 8. So answer will be 8 9s are 72. Okay. And next is 72 divided by 9 equal to 8. 8 9s are 72. This is multiplication facts. This 4 I have explained you. Rest all this you have to solve. Okay. Next is question number 11. Match the following. This is also very interesting. You just look in your workbook, page number 208. 11. Match the following. The numbers are given over here that we have to divide by 9. Divide by 9. 36, 54, 72. And here is written divide by 9 का 9. तो जो भी आंसर यहाँ पे हमें आएगा वहाँ पे आपको मैच करना है. 4 6 8 5 9. For this you should know the table. See, 45 divided by 9. So 9 5s are 45. So you have to join like this. इसके लिए हमें आपको 9 का टेबल आना बहुत जरूरी है. Now 81. 9 9s are 81. So we join like this. 36. 9 4s are 36. pictures are given. On the basis of that, questions are given that we have to solve. Question number 12. Solve the problems. See, first is example is given. If 25 laddus are divided equally in 5 boxes. Here you can see the picture of laddu is given and 5 boxes are there. How many laddus will be there in each box? देखो 25 total number of laddus है, उसको हमें ये 5 boxes में divide करना है. So here you can see in the answer it is written 25 divided by 5. So how many it is? 5 5s are 25. The 5 laddus will be there in each box. Okay? 5 लड्डू जो है हम ये 5 boxes में divide कर सकते हैं. Second one is given. If 20 candles are divided equally in 4 boxes, how many candles will be there in each box? Here total number of candles are 20 and that we have to divide in these 4 boxes. You can see here. So 4 5s are 20. So here you have to write in the answer 20 divided by 4. So answer is 5. So in each box there will be 5 candles. Okay. Now next is, here you can see the picture of monkey and the banana is given. If 30 bananas are distributed equally among 5 monkeys, how many bananas will each monkey get? Here total number of bananas are 30 and that we have to distribute among 5 monkeys. So 30 divided by 5 equal to 5 6 are 30. So each monkey will get 6 bananas. Fourth one, if 12 balloons are distributed equally among 4 children, how many balloons will each child get? So here you can see total number of balloons are 12 and 4 children are there. So 12 divided by 4, so 3 4s are 12. So each child will get 3 balloons. Okay. Now on the next, turn the page. On the next page you can see few more questions are given. So that you have to count and divide. It is very easy that you have to solve by your own self. Now we'll go to the next one. Question number 13. Write the answer to the questions from the given details based on the picture. So here you can see few pictures are given. Animals pictures. This frog, squirrel, rabbit, horse and the kangaroo. Just look in your workbook. First is frog. A frog jumps 2 steps at a time. It is given in the example. Already आपको वहाँ पे ड्रॉ करके दिया है कि फ्रॉग 2 जंप मार के आगे जाता है. A frog jumps 2 steps at a time. तो यहाँ पे you just look in your workbook. See, from 0 it is started 0 to 2 step. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Like this way वो 2 स्टेप आगे जाता है. वैसे ही आपको ड्रॉ करना है. ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. स्क्विरल जंप्स 3 स्टेप्स. स्क्विरल कितना जंप करती है? 3 स्टेप्स. सो हियर फर्स्ट विल ड्रॉ फ्रॉम 0 to 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. ऐसे करते करते आपको 2-3 स्टेप आगे करके वहाँ पे जंप करवाना है स्क्विरल को. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ रैबिट जंप्स 5 steps. A rabbit jumps 5 steps. So we'll start from the zeros. From 0 to 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5 25, ऐसे करते करते आपको 5 स्टेप आगे जाना है. ओके, दिस वे यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन्स according to the question. On the basis of that we have to solve the questions which is given on the next page. You turn the page, here questions are given, 15 questions are given. From this view I will explain you. Okay, the first one is, in how many jumps will the frog reach 30? In how many jumps will the frog reach 30? 30 नंबर पे वो कब कैसे जाएगा, कितने टाइम जंप करके. So how many times 30 पे पहुंचना है उसको, कितने टाइम जंप करेगा, 15 टाइम्स. 15 बार वो 2 स्टेप लेके जंप करेगा. Then he will reach at 30 number. 15 2s are 30. In how many jumps will the squirrel reach 36? स्क्विरल कितने जंप लेके आगे जा रहा है, 3 स्टेप्स लेके. तो वो 36 पे कब पहुंचेगा, कितने जंप लेके, 12 3s are 36. In how many jumps will the horse reach 60? हॉर्स जो है वो कितने स्टेप लेके आगे जंप कर रहा है, 15 स्टेप्स. कितने स्टेप्स, 15. और वो 60 पे कब पहुंचेगा ऐसा पूछा है, तो 15 4s are 60. So he will take 4 jumps to reach 60. On which number will the kangaroo reach in 3 jumps? See, a kangaroo jumps 30 steps. कंगारू एक ही स्टेप में 30 पे पहुंच जाएगा. सो here उसको 90 पे पहुंचना है. On which number will the kangaroo reach in 3 jumps? 3 जंप मारेगा तो कितने नंबर पर पहुंचेगा. See, in one step he is taking 30 step ahead. 30 plus 30 it is 60 plus 30 it is 90. 3 जंप मारेगा, एक जंप में 30 स्टेप पे आ जाएगा, सेकंड में अगेन 30, थर्ड में अगेन 30. सो इट इज 90 स्टेप नंबर पे पहुंच जाएगा. 3 जंप मारेगा. कौन, कंगारू. नेक्स्ट इज, who all will meet at the number of 15? सो पहले आपको क्या करना है, ये जो जंप्स मार रहे हैं ये एनिमल्स, उसको पहले ड्रॉ कर लेना है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट यू कैन सॉल्व द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, 8 one है, will the rabbit ever be at the number of 18? No. रैबिट कितने जंप्स मारता है, 5 स्टेप अहेड. तो 18 पे नहीं पहुंचेगा, 18 नंबर पे वो कभी नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज ही इज गोइंग 5 स्टेप्स अहेड. सो इट विल गो फर्स्ट 5 10 15 20 लाइक दिस. वो 18 नंबर पे नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो हियर यू राइट नो. Now the last one question is, fill in the boxes with the appropriate numbers. Fill in the boxes with the appropriate number. See, here you have to write the answer in the given boxes. It is very interesting. Question number 14. Fill in the boxes with the appropriate number. Here you can see it is given 42. एक पूरा चेन है, एक आंसर मिलेगा उसके हिसाब से आप पूरे ये जो चेन है वो कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. So here it is 42 divided by 7. For this you should know the table of 7. 7 6 are 42. So here you have to write 6. Now we'll multiply only one is remaining that you have to solve by your own self. So here your chapter number 12 can be shared is done. यहाँ पे complete हो रहा है. So in this chapter we have seen the division. Division is repetitive. Subtraction, division of two-digit number by single-digit number, division by 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 we have seen, and this few more questions we have done at the following. Multiplication facts we have seen in this chapter. So here your chapter